Hello guys, good morning and welcome for another video. So for today's video, I'm going to discuss the process and my output in design laboratory number 6, which is the smart home automation. The things or appliances I want to control are the two LED lights located in the first room and second room. Then the other one is my electric fan in my room. So I'm going to read first the design specification or the features of my target smart home automation output. We have the following. Number 1, appliances can be controlled using your voice. Your app can control lights, TV, or other appliances. Up to 3 LEDs to represent appliances or lights. It can also monitor the status of your sensors like temperature and humidity. Appliances can be controlled by switches connected with your Arduino. Your app should be smart enough to read the status of the appliances and sensors. Status of the appliances can be viewed in your app, whether the appliance is on or off. The application will respond by voice using text-to-speech block in your Meet or MIT app inventor. So the example, when the voice command button is pressed, the user will send command smart home automation status. Then the app will respond and will talk back to you. The garage light is on, kitchen light is off, the house temperature is 28 degrees Celsius, and the humidity is 30%. This is the circuit of my output design. As you can see, I use 3 LEDs to indicate controls to my appliances, HDT11 for the humidity and the temperature of the surroundings, and the LDR. Lastly, of course, I include the Bluetooth module to get signals from the app to Arduino via Bluetooth. For the block code, basically, I just modify the block code of my previous hands-on activities and add the text-to-speech function for the target features or the design specification of my output, in which it will read the current status of my appliances, whether it is on or off, and the sensor values. For the application, you can see the button to control on and off of the appliances, and at the bottom part is the sensor value of the temperature, humidity, and illumination intensity. Also, the important button is the voice command button located at the upper part. This is also the one used for the text-to-speech function in checking the status of every appliances. For the code, we have first the declaration of global inputs and the inclusion of the libraries needed for this code. This includes the code for the DHT11, the LDR, the Bluetooth, and the buttons. In void setup is the declaration of LEDs as the output and the buttons as an input. In void loop, the float function to read the values of the temperature, humidity, and the LDR. Then I used if else, if while function to indicate conditions for input and send it to Arduino via Bluetooth for the output. This is my demonstration of all my possible scenarios. First room turn on. First room turn off. Second room turn off. Second room turn off. Second room turn off. Fan turn on. Fan turn off. home automation system. Smart home automation status.
Smart home status update. First room is off, second room is off, and the fan is off. The temperature of the house is 30.40.
Lil Medic Beats.
74.00%, and illumination intensity is 467.00 ohms.
Smart home automation status.
Smart home status update. First room is on, second room is off, and the fan is on. The temperature of the house is 8.00 ohms, humidity is 30.30, and illumination intensity is 75.00%.
What I learned in this video is that I was able to design a smart home automation using the knowledge I acquired on my previous activities. This includes the voice command and building of application using the MIT app Inventor. I was also able to modify and add additional features, which is the text-to-speech function. This function will read the sensor values and make the phone speak and update the status of every appliances inside the house. Lastly, I applied the manual operation using switch button to control LEDs. Siri, Alexa, Cortana are the most widely used form of AI today, or also known as the digital voice agents. They also have these text-to-speech features that whenever the user says something, they will respond. No more manual operation anymore, only voice command. However, the advancement of this application is limited since this is an IoT or Internet of Things, and considering the internet speed in the Philippines, it is not that fast enough. Most people are still preferred using the manual operation. 10 to 20 years from now, I can say that speaking to AI or artificial intelligence is possible just like how we communicate to other people, because the possibility of everything is vast and it's inevitable. That's all for this video, and thank you for watching.